All right, so haven't really been in the charts today because I didn't really want to be involved in these messy price actions that we can see. Price has been really ranging at that moment in time, and didn't want to get involved in that. Just wanted to have some clarity so that to engage. And if you can see from my charts, is there are some markups that I've already marked up there, which are either what has happened or what where I'm expecting exactly price to deliver to. So what has been out, because from the data that I've seen of my last trading weeks, is that I don't actually need to get involved in consolidations. What I actually need is price to tell me what the real intentions are, then get involved. So it's on Tuesday, and Monday I was caught and I was punished in dark ranging conditions, which was also an eye-opener to what I should actually try to do. So today what I'm seeing is if we go back to the weekly time frame, we can see that price did sweep the all-time highs. We did a reject of that, and this was the context area of which I was watching how price reacts to that point. This purple line, this is the immediate rebalance. That's the sweep of right. We'll talk later. So what I'd seen, I don't know whether my mic is audible. Let me just, all right, if we may continue. So what we have already seen is that we have already swept the previous week's high, and price is currently disrespecting this context area, because if we were to be bullish, then we want to see nice displacements of that level and going higher, but if we are bearish, want to see nice displacements going lower. So with that, I needed to drop onto the lower time frame and see how price was reacting. Yesterday rallied higher, closed really bullish, which was kinda, yes, I am expecting higher prices, but I really needed to wait for confirmation to happen. So as of today, what we can see, after the sweep of the all-time highs, this candle has just expanded lower, and if we expand lower, then we have this previous week's low, which was to be my first target. And what we are seeing from the daily time frame is we have a fair value area, price leg number 1 and 2, then we have finally this price leg number 3, which if price fails to deliver higher of the fair value area, then we can expect the fair value area lows being taken, right? So this is what we are currently seeing. Price is disrespecting the fair value area high. I don't know. There we go. Right, the price is respecting the fair value area and also this context area, and now what you're seeing is some displacement. So if we're going lower, then this should be my target, which I can try to short, but with that I need confirmation of the 4-hour time frame. I will mainly ensuring that the 4-hour has shown me the real intent of the market to drop, other than maybe dropping onto the 15 minutes time frame, the lower time frame, other than the intent being shown from the higher time frame. I think it's a thing that I will just try to avoid. If there is no real intent, which was happening today earlier on, then there is no need for me to engage in that, other than wait for confirmation. So I don't know why my network is kind of failing me. Come on. Right. Yes, so we can go on. So I needed to see the real intent, and what is the real intention of the market. I need to see some displacements with fair value gap to have a clear vision of what the market is likely to do. So at this point in time, you can see yesterday I was caught up in this position, no clear fair value gap that was shown, no real intention whether the market is pushing higher or lower. But as of today, didn't really want to execute on this first fair value gap because it might also be fail. I want to see this fair value gap lead to a displacement, or this fair value gap lead to another fair value gap. And what we are seeing currently is this candle has 8 hours before I don't know, 8 hours, 2 hours before it closes. And remember, now we are seemingly displacing that fair value gap. We have the first fair value gap, which should lead to the next fair value gap. So what I'll do, the next 6 hours, I'll wait for this candle to be closing. Then the next 4 hours, wait for the next 4-hour candle to close. And if we have the candle confirming a fair value gap, then I will try to look for a position towards this low. I will target this fair value areas low if a fair value gap is we have a fair value gap confirmed at that point in time. If we don't really have a fair value gap, I'll just be off and wait for clarity to happen. So there's no need for me to be dropping further onto the 1 hour time frame until the 4-hour time frame has confirmed to me that fair value gap. If I have that, then I will be engaging in the next, maybe after 6 hours as of now. And what I will be targeting is this low after a clear context. You can see now we have a fair value area confirmed, we have a displacement, we have those sweep of liquidities, we have now the market maker sell model in play, and this as the original consolidation. That's what I can be targeting. So that's what I'm expecting, that's what I will be looking for. And for now, just be chilling to avoid losses. I've really made some mistakes that I shouldn't really have made, but with that I've gotten to learn and to know that it's always it's always ideal to be trading in high probability conditions. So that is it. That's what I will be waiting for, and looking forward to see what the market has for us. So that is it. Until next time, guys, be safe.